If you can't get gas in your car and you're in a quick pinch for a fill up because it won't accept it, watch this video and I'll show you how to fill up if you don't have any other way of doing it. Subscribe button's right down there. The red one that says subscribe. Click that, hit the bell, give us a like. Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along. Are you in need of gas? 0 miles to go? But you can't fill up?
Okay, that's mine.
If you take your gas and you go to fill it in, wait for it to go. Okay. You go fill it in, and that's what happens.
Oh my God.
You've got a problem. And I'm gonna show you a quick way, because if you need to get going, on how to fix that. What it is you've got a hose that goes to full underneath the back of your car. You just follow down from your gas tank. This hose goes on top. Next comes over, all goes inside this box. This is what's out. Now, any of these newer cars have this. This is the sensor that's out. I need to pull, not that, because the sensor still won't let it go. Pull that back. Pop that. You can hear the air coming out. A little bit of gas on your hand, that's okay. But now once that's off, in a quick pinch, and I will replace my sensor, but now you will get a full tank of gas and it'll stop itself. And once it's done, you just pop that hose back on. We'll do here in a minute and we'll be good to go. There it goes. See, what the deal is old gas tanks used to have a plug right up here and the air used to escape. Nowadays they go down to a charcoal canister and they filter it through to not let the vapors up and through. I know it's supposed to have it, you guys, but hey, when you're in a quick pinch, if you need to get somewhere, ours did this on a Sunday when nobody was open, had no parts, and we had to get gas. So I went down there and unhooked that. We actually just got to an area where I'm gonna go buy the part here soon over at the O'Reilly's. So, bam.
I'll never say this.
Full tank of gas. Flip, flip. When I come back under here, push this back on right here. Like I said, super easy part to replace too, and it's only about 40 bucks. Pinch that back on, because all I do is unplug that, unplug this wire, and this is the piece that's out. That's why I can't just unhook this here, because it still won't let any through. But pop that in, hook that in, and I got a full tank of gas, and everything's back into working order, and we're good to go. And again, just so you guys can see, when I was on E, bam, full tank of gas.